Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Again, we're shooting the exactly same day. This is the third video with my friend Eddie. He has a shop here in North Carolina. He does a lot of customization about all the motorcycles, right? Mostly the Harley Davidson has. But we're gonna go through about these motorcycles, what he did. The mostly it's gonna be sound, but he does a lot of stuff also, right? Lids and bags, I put the links on the description for every single item and his contact information, all that stuff. And yeah, Eddie.
What's going on, folks? We're back again. All right, we got a black bike now. So we appreciate you watching all the other videos, things of that nature. This bike is kind of outfitted similar to the red bike. It's a 2018 Road Glide. It is outfitted with the Advan black body parts. This bike has a 4.5-inch stretch bags with dual cut exhaust, stretch side covers, wrapped front fender, and lowers. So same deal, just different color, right? It's all outfitted here through LEDs and bags, and you have your SOB center stand and your dirty air ride kit that you're able to purchase through LEDs and bags.
So every single motorcycle you install the airbags, right? There is a reason for that? Or?
Yes. So you get better sound when your bike is straight up versus leaning to one side. So it's not, and also the ride, more or less the ride. There's many reasons for the air ride, sound, the look, things of that nature. So when you do air ride, you do the center stand. Now also, I didn't mention the other videos, but all the bikes they have to go with an upgraded battery. So we recommend the lithium batteries that we go with. You're able to get through us as well. For example, this bike, we have the higher end lithium battery and also with the other bikes so that you get longer play time and you're able to start your bike, things of that nature.
And yeah, let's do it. Let's play a couple of music and I want to tell you how it's going to PRV is going to sound, guys. The right tune, the right adjustment paired with the right amplifier, right?
So we don't necessarily choke you with the battery to where you have to upgrade it each time. If you're a person that want to do just not 3 speakers, but 6 speakers, and you want to come back and get a little more, we give you that battery that you can expand with.
So it's going to go to factory space, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's a factory direct fit. Also, I don't think we came around to the headlight here. The headlight is upgraded as well, which is important because it gives you more room. The factory headlight is larger in size. I don't know the quite dimensions, but the Harley Davidson headlight is larger. This Advan black light here is smaller, so you're able to fit. It's more fitment for the amps, DSP, things of that nature. Also, this is inside work. The Road Glide both Road Glides are outfitted with an amp rack. We have a Street Glide in there as well that we do an amp rack. So all the amps are laid out nice and pretty inside the fairing. So we have to go in and do an amp rack, which requires us to move everything on the front of the bike as far as the guts inside. So it has to be professionally installed.
So your torque pack is going to be just for the space. The previous 2 motorcycles, we had the amplifiers there. You still have a space, but it's going to be amplifiers there, like couple amplifiers. But on this one, it's going to be just pure empty. It's your space. The saddlebags, you're running the midsole also on this one?
No, so he has subwoofers. His subwoofers sealed and ported, and he went with the CT Sounds subwoofer. Like I said, they're sealed and ported, and we were able to move the amp out of the tour pack. He had amps laid out in the tour pack. We removed them all out of there. So that's a quick look, real quick.
Yeah, that's the personal items.
So
only.
just personal items inside the tour pack.
Yep.
So all the amps are outfitted in the front of the bike here. unlike the Red Road Glide where we had the 3K is too large for the front of the bike.
So this one's also the PRV speakers. We're on like on the previous one. It's gonna be a much cheaper version of the PRV because this one is not the waterproof, right?
Yes.
Do you guys do anything for the waterproofing of those speakers, or you guys never had the problems with the?
So we have it. So we do spray the speaker, but we also let the customer know that they're not waterproof. So if they get jammed up to where a speaker gets hurt, the speakers are priced very budget friendly, but they perform. That's why we choose to use those. So we don't use the word cheap. We use budget friendly, and you're able to replace the speaker basically if you have any issue with it. But like I said, they're priced very budget friendly, and they perform, which is most important.
Yeah, actually they do a lot of DS18s also. I saw so many bikes he did. The shop is full of the bikes, right? He did the DS18s and the Cicadias, but I'm surprised how these also the other bikes is also sounding. And we're gonna show you this bike practical, and we're gonna go through. I'm gonna do some distance test, and also we have the cameras right there recording also for the distance. Right, as what I noticed on this build, no rattles, no distortion. That's the subwoofers actually is in the backs. The way they building, reinforcing all these backs, you're not gonna hear any rattling noise, just a pure bass. I tried to catch, the quality audio, but it's very hard to, to catch the videos with the good audios. Yeah, I'm gonna insert a couple shots from your shop. You're working on it, right? On the bags also, yeah. So yeah, guys, this is another sample. If you guys want to do anything like this, you can start from just the front speakers, just to install the 4 PRVs, and you're gonna just move out from the the front to back, or you can just install the subwoofers on the back. As you can see, the motorcycle, that much amount of bass, it's gonna be just a surprisingly great. I don't know how I can say that, but it's another great product, great the work from Eddie. This is the budget version ones. If you guys didn't watch my other videos, the previous 2-3 motorcycles, definitely watch it. And those are little expensive ones, and the sounds also, you have to watch it in the comment below, right? All the links in the descriptions. I put his phone numbers also, the business address also, lids and bags, and you guys gonna find them. And yeah, definitely let us know what you guys think.
Sure thing. Mike, I appreciate your time, appreciate your viewers watching. Like I said, make sure you guys follow the LEDs and Bags YouTube channel, and we will outfit your bike, we'll get you sounding good. So you want to be a little louder than stock, or different level, whatever way you want to do it, we can do it for you.
All right, awesome.
Peace.
Thank you, Eddie. We're gonna have more motorcycles because that's your motorcycles, right?
No, it's customers.
All right, he has a lot of customers, great builds, but again, we have to ask the guys if we can make the videos or not. They are just sitting in the shop, right? So yeah, I'm out. Also in the next video, guys.